I got you some blue light blocking glasses.
Oh.
This is going to help you when you're watching your tablet. So this is the box that it comes in. Very cute. This is for boys and girls ages 3 to 12. Let's open it.
Wow, that's so large.
Ooh, look at that. Wow. That's a nice case it comes in.
Yeah. Wow.
Ooh, those are your new glasses. And it comes with this too. Anti-Blu-ray glasses. This is a Blu-ray generator.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, they look very nice. You gotta try them on you.
Oh, yeah.
They look very good on you. You look very smart.
Yeah, it's so shiny.
Go look in your mirror and see.
Oh, my God.
You like them?
Yeah. Wax like this.
Aww.
It's color blue, see?
The color blue, yes. It's beautiful.
This one.
Yep. They fold up.
And that protected.
There you go.
Wow.
This is a cleaning cloth. That's to clean your glasses.
So it's fresh. Look.
This is the blue light generator. It's going to block that blue light. Look at all the dark spots it made. Those are the harmful blue rays that it blocks. Now if you put the glasses on it and try it, see? It blocks that blue light. It looks perfect on you.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Thank you.
Let's go see if it's going to help you with your tablet.
Let me see.
Does it help?
Yeah.
Do you like the glasses?
Yeah.
Are they nice?
Yeah.
I would recommend these to help kids that like to watch their tablets. It's going to help protect your eyes.